Hello again and welcome back to another AC tutorial. If you're using tags in ActiveCampaign but things feels a little messy or out of control, no worries, we've got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a clean and scalable tagging system that will help you to segment better, automate smarter, and keep your CRM organized. Now you feel ready? Open your account and let's get started. First, structure your tags with a clear naming convention. This makes a lot easier for searching, filtering, and automating your workflows. Let's see some examples. The first one is source, an easy way for you to track where the leads came from. For example, source, Facebook ads. So I know that these leads came from a lead generation campaign that I run on my social media channels. The second one, interests. For example, interest, dog treats. So I know what kind of products or service resonates with my clients. The third one, status. For example, status, VIP clients. So I know what level this client is. A very common question we get is when to use a tag and when to use a custom field. Not all data belongs in tags. Tags works best for temporary actions, while custom fields store long-term data from your clients. For example, you can use a tag for clicked in a campaign, Valentine's prom, or attend a webinar, email marketing. For custom fields, you can use pet type, dog, subscription type, premium. The ruling here should be, if the data changes frequently, use a tag. If the data is consistent over time, use a custom field. Instead of wasting time manually adding and removing tags, let ActiveCampaign's automations do the work for you. The pro tip in here is to set up an automation to remove outdated tags, so your database stays clean. For example, step 1, add a tag when a contact abandons their cart. Step 2, remove that tag when the contact makes their purchase. The pro tip in here is to audit your tags quarterly, so you're always up to date on the tags that are outdated to be removed, the ones that need to be merged because they're still important but not in constant use, and the ones that need a job to keep everything clean. Having too many tags could clutter your system and makes segmentation a lot harder. Instead of tracking every little action, you could use broader engagement tags or a lead scoring system. If your ActiveCampaign account is used by multiple teams in your company, for example, the marketing team and the sales team, make sure to create a file to document the use of these tags so everyone is on the same page. Before creating a tag, you should ask yourself, will this help me to trigger an automation, personalize a campaign, or create a useful segment? If not, do you really need it? And that's how you can keep your tagging strategy clean and organized in ActiveCampaign. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.